In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on TikTok, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. As usual in this channel, we don't waste our viewers' time. Let's open the TikTok app. Now, when you open the TikTok app, you will see the home button, the friends button, the plus button, the inbox button, and the profile button. Just tap on the profile button. Then, here you will see my profile picture here to the top. But when you click on the profile picture, you'll only be allowed to share your stories on your profile. But how do we change this profile picture? Just click on the X button. Then here close to your profile, you will see the edit button. Just tap on it. Okay. Then you will see this place for change photo. This blue text of change photo. Now when you tap on that blue, you will be requested to take a photo, upload a photo, or view the photo. If you want to change your profile picture, you will choose upload a photo to upload the photo in your gallery, or you can take a new photo by opening your camera app. So this is how you change your profile picture on TikTok. Until next time, peace out.